What? Del 35?
You know fat. It's big like a Bob Marley funeral.
I hold you.
I don't know how you make your walk, sir. Then you have to start 35 there. Your boy like to go to your boat. 35, I mean 35. I'm not 34.
Yeah, it's fair.
I export 35, so I got 16.
No
I
big.
got 16, I did the 35 there. So when you have 30,
With what 30, what you mom?
45. So no big. Yeah.
I'm going to say the root at 35.
Come again?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we go inside, man. We look for that 35. Me a girl like Sam, me a girl like East, me a girl like North, me a girl like West, me a girl all about. They
I
know.
want you to see another.
No,
One.
they don't be help, I know.
Oh,
They don't be help, my girl.
they like you what?
They
say you. You say a woman. No woman no want that.
I don't really make a motion. I said, me say, they are shot, man. I cook and do it. They are matey.
Look on him today. Look on him too.
I don't make you look on a pan your back. We have your sister. You come to a back and you're full. They're going to make you look on the wall and get you up and tell you and call you or something about that. When do you after? Okay, you got after. Yeah, man.
Del, don't give no 35 when you're born your car. No. Because I'm a tight jeans pants.
Our rank can face like that, you know. You think I don't? I get the bottom of my head.
Oh,
I want to give me 12 in a reach up on that when dance are keeping it. You buy you soup and drinks and biscuit and food. And go and come back house and I put a talk funny and lick out the whole of me yesterday and now I'm going to be something. So me last time can't get there, so I say, I can't get time, 1 more minute is that time, man. So come back here now.
They're not bad, man.
I can have you up and bite off my breast and bust me head.
Ah, true, Del? What you mean, man?
Then around the beat, don't
What? Del? Impress well up back.
When you do them, give you a bun.
You know you.
better handle I get one more take a couple of years. What I go go drink.
I was your nigga named dog.
Oh,
Yo.
do what?
Eh?
What is it?
What's your nigga named dog?
You don't know say
Just tell them wash your clothes.
Rub
cook
your
your-
time and rub your back.
Just tell them wash your clothes, cook your food. You're 35. I sit now you're like bun. Flick out your cloth, yes.
You don't can't cook me.
What me?
You know it was bad people.
Oh, boy, you hear that?
I say.
You
They
don't
cook
know
me, that one with dead.
Yeah, they want to pay for you. Ask me if they ever cook me.
So
You
then-
ever cook me yet then? No.
Free to order or then issue somebody one.
You cook it up, you can't cook it bad man.
So you see,
And kill them.
What up you can lie?
You can't kill them, so you can't cook more like.
So then, him. So out of three of them, out of CD, and that the one that we did next one, and then and the vision of
My life.
Why here?
One of them on my YouTube channel.
Oh gosh, man.
CD, I love him most.
So they have to take them and put them in the piano.
in
So.
there, no.
You don't
And you
kill
look
them.
after me
You can tap look up for you and send it to CD for your game. I don't feel like a CD. If you go to tell Monica come up and found a few holes up there for
No,
Monica.
no.
So you love CB more than Duppy?
Make you love Duppy more than CB.
You know, they want to know. You want to put one
I know.
they want to know.
Oh,
TV, TV.
you hold your hand all the while.
No man, you lock him up and found her for 11 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the day. You know, come on road and you know, guy want soda. You know, can't come out. I mean, no can't come in the street.
You can't take him with the dog and carry me alive.
Came in the street at Charlton, Brownstone. One pan market is on Charlton with him to blood clot. I mean, tell them about the song in my plan, but 12 years in that Charlton, and we turn in the back of me. Yes, you know, them, boy, me say, boy, clot, I'm a man there. But me couldn't do the same still. Because when we turn in the back of me, you know, I want to see pussy clot in a Charlton too. Can't last, you know, when we turn.
Look at how you do.
So the last,
No man, me a one girl me a walk around and it in a
Tell me the
valley.
gun first.
At a lip blank off of me, no. Then the back of me take pet. You have to run up a peggy upstairs, get petty. I like Mr. Carter, me like how you cute girl in a grand market. Me a take part two to blood clot. When you hold it there, you have a wine in a move, you know.
Hey.
Come here, stand by. I want man starving show about you, I mean. You never see me a starving show. Ask any youth about me. I will starving show when dance around a lot.
Right now, you like one last day in this.
I will starving show when dance around a lot.
lot.
I said,
No, put on the back. Ask him.
the time when Kila come in, I went up a fresh shop, you know.
Right now, dance, I keep your one blood class started.
You remember my friend girl, you know?
Oh,
Huh?
You remember my friend
you no
girl?
lost no money in there,
Your
man.
foreign girl.
Free money, man.
How you last money in round
Oh,
come?
you buy me liquor to
Not sure
blood.
nothing wrong.
You see, I did one quad. One, two, big give for that to be a blood.
Him there's one from Duppy, you know. I'm saying, when Duppy got there, and Kila mother, then I say, yes, Duppy.
5 girls come up and clear this up. When the brownie now run up here, Mr. Irish work. When Mr. Irish work, my man is we're gonna build script to blood clot. One girl lift me up, put me in a big line back. And when the very party put me chair top there to blood clot, like I'm here going and holding me to the stand up. Yes, let me go up on the scale. Everybody have here when I should go up on the scale.
Fly.
One man weigh 45, big. They put up in my shirt and grab on the blood class scale. So. Yes, a bumper class 55, block the weight. This is scale back and 60 the weight. 155, you know.
Oh.
And 160 the weight. So me say scale back.
Aye boy, what's that?
You want to go down blood clot, you see it.
Aye boy, what's that? 155.
155 minutes per that blood clot.
So much more that way.
155.
How much maybe? How much
That's the
maybe?
thing
What
we
do you mean? I think you know one buzzer.
160.
You may wonder, yes, when you have your pan scale.
You know one buzzer?
You may wonder when you have your pan scale. You may wonder, you may wonder, what maybe?
Oh, I think you know
Last time we had 180.
155 maybe.
Say we know for me.
Nearly 181.